This video shows how to install the adjustable stand in Xerox VersaLink C415 color multifunction printer. Cut and remove the bands from outer box. Open the box. Remove the manual and remove the packaging materials. Push down the lever to lock the two front casters to prevent them from moving. To install the left panel, align the large center hole with the post on the stand base. Slide the left panel back, then push until it clicks. To install the right panel, align the large center hole with the post on the stand base. Slide the right panel back, then push until it clicks. To install the support frame, align the supports with the slots in the rear bottom inside of the side panels and push down until it clicks into place. To install the back frame, align the supports with the slots in the rear top of the side panels, then slide it straight into the panels. To install the back panel, align the tabs with the slots in each side panel, ensuring the panel top edge captures the back frame. Install the two-part plastic snap rivets on four corners of the panel. To install the three support feet, turn the printer stand base carefully onto the front surface. To install each support foot, press the tabs until it clicks into place. Rotate the stand back onto the casters. To install the front support foot, slide the support foot straight into the stand. Refer to the instruction sheet for recommended letter designation shelf position based on the product and tray options. Install the threaded pins according to the recommended letter designation shelf position. Align the slots on the bottom left and right edges of the shelf with the threaded pins. Slide the shelf back. To secure the shelf, install the two-part plastic snap rivets on both left and right sides of the shelf. Align the holes in the support bar with holes in the left and right panel directly under the shelf. Secure the bar using two-part plastic snap rivets. The support bar is not required when the shelf is in position G. Identify and install the corresponding pins into the shelf using the matching product or position number of the label stuck on the packet. Press the power button. Then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Disconnect the network cable. Lift the optional trays and place them on the top of the adjustable stand aligned with the pins. Lift the printer with 2 people and align the printer with pins. Place the printer on the printer stand or paper trays until it clicks into place. Plug in both ends of your power cord and connect the network cable. Power on the printer.